So terminal P component in V1, I'm asking you, it's due to right atrium or left atrium. I told you the last atrium to be activated is left atrium. So the terminal P force in V1 is constituted by the left atrium, because the left atrial depolarization is going to go away from V1. Because left atrium is a left and posterior structure, V1 is right and anterior structure. So that's why the terminal P means left atrial depolarization. Left atrial enlargement, wide P wave, tall P wave are both. I told you the last atrium which is depolarized is enlarged, and naturally it takes a long time for the left atrial depolarization to be finished. So it will increase the duration of the P wave. So the left atrial enlargement will produce wide P wave.